Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're in Santa Cruz Village. So I hope it's muddy here. And yes, it's a oh, forgot the water. I was so excited, but oh my god, what am I doing here? Ugh. My walking's like ouch. I hate mud. I hate mud. I hate flood. Oh, I can't find the water. Mom, stop making me sense. I told you to bring that, not you. Anyways, sorry about the consequences. My mom is such a amnesia girl or something. Hey, wait up. I can't walk in this muddy. Guys, I'm looking Viet Cong here. Yes, this is the mansion, guys. Here is the mansion of Renz Owen C. Del Mundo, being covered by a bush, and I'm walking on mud. I need boots. Help me, doctor. Don't make me laugh, huh? Okay, that's it. This is the new house. I don't know who owns it, but it looks beautiful. Just, I can't walk on muddy plains. Look how I walk. Yucky. I hate mud. I'm an American, and I deserve to be not muddy. Okay, this is the goat pen. Chicken jockeys. Excuse me, I can't walk. Hey, where do you think they went? Ma, wait for me. I'm so slow. Wait for me. I was walking around. My hand is gonna hurt. Please, could you just just hold it for a while. Switching hands, like, just make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notifications for more updates. This is the power line. This is okay, so this is the bananas. Love bananas. I love it. Bananas. That's what they call in Britain. In America, banana. Banana. Sorry USA. I didn't meant to. I'm just joking. Sometimes I'm a joker sometimes. Anyways, I'm walking around. It's been 2 minutes. I mean 3, whatever. I'm too slow. If you know any Viet Cong, I will just go. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Andy J, walking in the middle of the Viet Cong. It's so muddy. Looks like I'm wearing Vietnamese. Same hat from Philippines. And look how muddy the road is. Walking like Viet Cong. We're walking like in Vietnam War. What's up, dude? How's it going there? Here comes the goat. The Baba black sheep. Have you any wool? Here comes the goat. I need a walking stick. This is so hard. I think I might gonna hurt my legs. Ouchie. Nah, I'm just joking. It's gonna be a which is the cornfield, man. You know? Okay. Look at that beautiful farm out there. Oh, this is the worst time. Wish I brought boots. Wait, how did you do that? Southeast Asia be like this is what you're gonna walk. Like a Vietnamese. Don't make fun of Vietnam. Look at that house over there. Wait for me. Just stop making. Okay. Oh, I just should have taken the ATV here. I hate walking in this mud. I can't stop this thing. Mud. I'll take the quad bike instead. Ugh. This is so. Don't make me laugh, mister. Well, I'm not gonna whine. Stop whining. How long is this? Bro, feel the mud. You're a Vietnamese soldier. Stop making fun of me, you American. This is terrible. Hey, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. And it is a long walk. We're now here at the corn farm of our neighbor. This is the farm, guys. This is Lucas. Hi. Say hi to my subscribers, dude. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to harvest some corn. And without further ado, make sure to subscribe that video. Viewers, don't forget. Okay, I'm now entering at the cornfield. So which one is to harvest?
Gaya ikaw sa Ma'am
Okay,
Anita.
where should I harvest?
Bas gumaya ka na lang.
Where? Just Okay. Which one? I can't see. I can't see which one.
Taniman na doon ang sitaw.
Magugulit lang iba.
So tough. So tough, man.
Nakatikim naman.
Oh my god, I break a stalk. I don't know
Nasama
which
ko
one.
ng sitaw.
Mhm.
At sayang eh.
I don't know how to harvest.
Tamang ito
Oh, you got here.
Lalagyan ako ng sitaw.
katag-arawan eh may sitaw pa ito.
Is this ripe or something?
Kahirap naman Inglesero naman aring farmer na ari eh.
Aba eh, talagang ganyan.
In the US, we grow corn.
May gulo niya, piliin yung gulo niya.
Okay. Now I'm doing this for the USA, because the US love corn.
May palaya, oh. Dili, kinakain ka nito?
Yeah.
Ha? Oh, yan, yun na.
What's this? Did I just get the wrong one? Oh yeah, we have good ears. We have good ears for the fresh harvest. Yeah, did it. Did I just break the cob, guys? Just give me this. So. Hey Speed, I know you're watching this. Can you do this in a farm? Could you go with it to America?
Yes.
Could you do this in America? Like, you know, there are many corn in there. I swear.
Nagdudumi ka lang.
Nakatikim din ng panggulay. Ako ikunin na natin, pwede pang gulayan.
I don't have jogging pants. That's why I'm just itchy. I forgot to. Do you subscribe to my channel?
Yeah,
Just tell your workmates too.
yeah.
I'm now famous.
You have a 1.1k viewers.
How many viewers?
1K or something.
No, it's only 120.
120. I just break a cob.
Give it to Ma'am Anita.
Alright. Get some more.
Hindi rin makaroon.
Get some more, dude. Honor, I grew up on the farm.
Go.
If you can do this in America, I dare you, Mr. Speed. I dare you. I show Speed will never listen to. Oh. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to be so popular. This is for 1,000 subscribers, so keep pushing, guys.
1,000 eh.
Para makita ng pera.
Para kumita ng pera.
Makita ng pera.
Meron ilang makukuha.
Oh, that's a beautiful field. I can have my horse there, ride. If I have a horse there, I will ride it here.
That's Kuya Danny's field.
Is that a good ears of harvest? Oh, yes, it's a small one.
Di magugulit pa.
I have a strong hand. I broke a cob again. I'm not a good farmer. Okay, which one?
Andre,
Okay, this one?
put it there. No, not this one. Only the corn.
Ilagay ko yan at magulat.
Okay, which one? Well, this is the harvest. The corn out there. Sorry about my accent. I speak three: Australian, British, and American. So back to the Russian. Okay, so this is how Russian get some corn. Stop.
Oh,
So make sure to subscribe my channel. You know anything about YouTube?
No.
gulayin oh.
Gulayin to to.
Gulit.
Wow, what a strange corn. Is this covered in
Not yet, ano.
12? What did I just get? It's an unlucky. What's that? An airplane? Oh, here comes the goats. Hello there. Vlog it, vlog it. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요, señor. Spanish in Korean. I love Spain, I love Korea. Nice farm, nice crops. This is the goat over there. September 14.
Yung pakiramdam, hindi naman...
Okay naman, teka. So, minsan ang pakiramdam
This is
ko,
the
parang
It's the farm over there. Look at the goat. Goats. Yeah, too many goats.
Huwag na how.
Hindi.
Okay lang how.
Come on, come on. I love vegetables.
Ano sabi ng...
sa webs ko.
Saan konti?
What's the goat? Here comes that kid. Hey, you.
Kasi parang tinutusok ng karawan to.
Hey, over here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, it's your name. For my subscribers. You. Make sure to subscribe my channel, okay? I have 100.
Ha?
I'm famous.
Wala na?
Right, guys. We're in a farm.
Oh,
Paano aray? Bayot.
hindi naman siyat.
Looks small.
Ayun, yun. May sinasabi.
Okay, here comes the corn.
Yan, like.
Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more updates.
It's okay.
May mapapanood na to ni na ano na ate, ano ang vlog mo kasama na ang ano, Kuya
Okay.
Dan.
Okay, here's a farm.
Pwede siya mag-edit ka na.
Aywan, nag-e-edit
Just gonna tour this area because it's for my viewers.
Magtanggal na ng garne Hinuhuli.
This is how you if there are no stalks, you must remove it.
Tatanggalin na talaga.
Yeah.
Hindi na siya bubo. Ang ginagawa isa lang?
Tatlo po.
Tatlong harvest, tapos wala na.
Kakunti na niya.
Pero ang ano ate Anita ha?
If I can try that, it's for my I will try it, but
Nilaga.
so quick farm.
Gusto ko siya kahit siya ay matigas.
Look at that.
Malaman, kahit maliit. Tapos ano.
This is how you if is it not use if the corn is useless, they're harvesting it.
Kaya nga, ang inay
It's for my 100 subscribers.
Ayan, even
And
pinatanim ko sa mga
make sure you like and subscribe.
O, di ma. Bukas itatanong ko na rin yung sitaw.
Sure.
pipino.
Cucumbers,
Wala namang
my
pipino
favorite.
eh.
Hindi pa yung plastic joke.
It's the farm.
Bigyan ng
Welcome
mga
to the
gulay.
farm,
Kung
kiddo.
ilalagay
Nice harvest.
laga na. Kahit 2-4 lang na
So
panlaga.
let's go.
Wala kayo, te.
Just to tour this shed. This is just a normal shed. Something wrong with my hand hurts. Lucas. Hey, you go to a meat shop.
Aba, abi pala inano na.
Shit. Dude, I saw you in a meat shop. That vendor, he told you that I saw you during Thursday. That time. when I go to jogging, dude. You walk in meat shop. You feel full, okay? Yeah, that dog. You see that behind me? The dog there. He gets go to meat shop and get some dog. My neighbor's dog eats some full meat, lots of meat. He gets full. Wow, look at that farmer over there. This is what agriculture is like during ancient Israel. The farmer and the shepherd, according to history.
Si Kuya Felix ngayon, ang palat niya. Ikaw, nagkalamang ka na uli.
This is the farm, the goats. The goats here. This is the shepherd. This is the farmer. So, I will tell you the history of farmers and shepherds. The shepherds were taking care of the animals, the farmers who take care of the plants. This is what agriculture looks like if you are taking care of the land, the time. This is what Filipinos work. If you're Indio or something, this is trivia for you. Fun fact, the Filipinos during colonial era are farmers. They're not type of other workers. In book in El Filibusterismo, there is the book over there. That's where they put Spanish into the language, but Simon said it wasn't. Said it can kill the native language, but El Filibusterismo is about patriotism. You must read this book for the future of the Filipinos. This is agriculture in the Philippines. Right here is malunggay. It's known as moringa. It is my favorite vegetable. It's my go-to energy source while I go farming. This is the sitaw beans. I love beans. I love ampalaya and corn. They're my favorite too. And this is, I'm gonna video it. That's the work of the shepherd. The goats over there. In ancient Israel, that's what I watched in a video about living in the time of Jesus in episode 1. The farmer and the shepherd are enemies, just like Cain and Abel. Look, this is my job right now. And look, this is so hard. See, I'm videoing it. This is the farm. This is where I grew. And today, I am here to be like Alice Guo. Alice Guo, Your Honor, I grew up on a farm. So, yes, this is the goat fields. This is the shepherd's life, as you can see. This is how I work as a shepherd of the farm. You have too many goats. You're like a farmer here. This is a shepherd's life. Here over you see is a shepherd's life. Yes, as you can see, this is a shepherd's life. I'm here at the farm with my goats. They're not mine, but this is a life. This is how I live. Shepherd of the farm. This is a herdsman. This is the job of a herdsman. He watches his sheep night and day, or goats, or cows, or horses. In Mongolia, this is life. This is life in Mongolia. The Mongols, Turks, and other races do this. They use farming. They're nomadic people. Nomadic people use herding lifestyle. Like, that's another trivia for you. Like that, herding sheep, goats to make food, to find food and clothes. But in settled life, like this, like in civilized times, they farm to earn a living. That's the history of agriculture for you guys. For today, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. This is Andy J, now signing off.